We would like to introduce you to one of the easiest ways to produce block letters using ALURAPID aluminum band. The method is simple, efficient, and inexpensive. We use the following tools: an assembly table with a set of jibes and cotters, a set of rollers for producing curves, hand or pneumatic presses for bending the material, and other simple workshop tools. Necessary materials: plexiglass, PVC, and an electric installation to illuminate the letters. We begin by cutting the letter front of plexiglass and the letter back of PVC, if possible simultaneously. The PVC letter back is typically 10 millimeters thick. Depending on the letter height, we use different plexiglass thicknesses, varying from 3 to 5 millimeters. There is a plastic strip on the edge of the ALURAPID band designed for connection with the plexiglass letter front. On the other edge of the band, a special foam weather strip is located. After the shape is cut, we measure the letter circumference. The plexiglass letter front is positioned face down on the assembly table during measurements. After the shape is cut, we measure the letter circumference. The plexiglass letter front is positioned face down on the assembly table during measurements. Making letters with inner spaces like B, R, O, we always start from the inside and later measure the outside outline. Then we transfer the given length to a measuring tape, marking all the characteristic shapes for each of the letters: the angles, internal and external, acute, obtuse, radii, etc. One should remember about the overlay for band junction. Cutting and forming the edges enables the exact forming of the letter circumference. We bend ALURAPID aluminum band according to the markings which we have transferred previously from the measuring tape. If there are curves in a given letter, we also form these curves. In this way, the sides of a letter are formed. After the inner sides of a letter are formed, we make the outer sides in a similar way. We do the measurements, transfer from the measuring tape to the band, and finally form the band. The rough edges are slightly rounded with a file. Please note that the outer edges are scored with a file before bending. To bend the angles, we use either a pneumatic or a hand press. A set of rollers is used to straighten the band and to form the curves. Now we put the formatted aluminum band on the face of the plexiglass letter and fix it with jibes and couters. The previously formed overlay is now riveted. The aluminum band is glued to the plexiglass, and we recommend using Colaplex glue. However, other products for joining plexiglass and PVC are also available, providing they do not contain acetone. During the time before the glue is hardened, we can prepare the electric installation for illumination of the letter. The source of light is fixed on the back of the letter on the PVC. Most popular are fluorescent lamps, but we also use compact fluorescent lamps and neon. When the electric installation is ready, we put a prepared cover on the back of the letter and fix it with screws to the PVC. In this way, thanks to ALURAPID band, we have created a complete set of excellent quality and attractive aesthetics. The last step is assembling the letter in the desired location.